Welcome to Summarize Science. Have you ever had a great photo ruined because someone's face was blocked or the camera missed a key detail? The researchers behind a new paper have introduced AlbumFill, a framework designed to solve this exact problem. Traditional AI tools usually try to fill in these holes by guessing what might look good based on generic patterns. However, these generic models often fail to keep a person's specific identity, making them look like a total stranger. Previously, users had to manually provide a reference photo to help the AI, which can be a slow and tedious process. The team developed AlbumFill to be training-free, meaning it can work right away without needing to learn from scratch. The system works by intelligently searching through a person's personal photo album to find the best matching reference. It uses a vision language model to act as a reasoning engine, looking at the visible parts of the photo to guess what is missing. They describe a process where the AI identifies the target person and clusters all their photos together into a coherent digital album. This ensures the AI is only looking at relevant images of the same person rather than a messy pile of random snapshots. To prove this works, they introduced a massive dataset containing 54,000 human-centric samples paired with their album references. The first step in the pipeline is masked visual reasoning, where the AI analyzes the background and visible clothing. It generates a text description, like a child wearing a purple shirt, to describe the content that should be behind the mask. This text then guides a specialized search to find the most visually similar images in the user's collection. Once the AI finds the best matching reference photo, it uses it as a blueprint for the final step. A reference-guided completion model then synthesizes the missing region by blending the details from the album photo into the original ruined image. This preserves fine-grained details like facial structure, specific hairstyles, and even unique clothing patterns. The researchers tested their method against other state-of-the-art AI tools to see how they compared. As seen in these visual results, AlbumFill produces much more coherent completions than models that don't use personal album references. While other models might create plausible textures, they often lose the identity of the person entirely. The experiments showed that using these reasoning-derived instructions significantly improved the accuracy of the photo retrieval. Even when large parts of the image were missing, the AI was remarkably good at finding the right reference. They found that identity-consistent references are absolutely critical for successful photo restoration. To recap, the researchers have created a way for AI to use your own photo history to fix your new photos automatically. By combining reasoning, retrieval, and smart blending, they have made personalized photo editing much more accessible. In the future, this could mean our smartphones will be able to remember our appearance to fix any photo mistake instantly. This technology bridges the gap between generic AI generation and our unique personal memories. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and stay tuned for more breakthroughs.